adding and subtracting fractions. Here we have 1/3 plus 1/6. And we want to know how to add them together. First of all, we need to find the least common multiple, LCM, between 3 and 6, which are the denominators of our fractions. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, and 9. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, and 18. The LCM between 3 and 6 is 6. Then we need to adapt the fractions. So we found the LCM, which is 6, and we need to adapt both fractions to 6. So both denominators must be 6. So in this fraction, we have a 1/3, we have a 3 in the denominator. So we do 6 divided by 3. 6 is our LCM. 6 divided by 3 is 2. We need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So this 1/3 has become 2 over 6, while 1/6 already has the denominator at 6, therefore remains unchanged. So we don't have to adapt this fraction here because we already have 6 in the denominator. Sum the numerators. So here we have rewritten 1/3 into 6. So we do 2 over 6 plus 1 over 6. We can add them together because they have the same denominator. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3 over 6. Simplify the result if possible. So we have divided both 3 and 6 by 3, and we got 1/2. So 1/3 plus 1/6 is equal to 1/2. This is another method of solving the sums and subtraction between fractions. The procedure is basically the same, but the only difference from before is that here we don't adapt the fractions. We do the calculation all at once. So here we still find the least common multiple, which is 6. And here we divide the LCM by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. So we had 6, which is our LCM, and divide it by the denominator of the first fraction. And we multiply it by the numerator. So we had 6 divided by 3 times 1 plus 6, which is our LCM, divided by the denominator of the second fraction times 1, which is the numerator of the second fraction. 6 divided by 3 is 2, times 1 is 2, plus 6 divided by 6 is 1, times 1 is 1, so 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Then we simplify. In both ways we get the same result.